Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list on Apollo.io so you can organize your leads, track your outreach, and scale your prospecting for 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Lists menu. Instead of starting from a search, we're going to begin directly in the Management area where your organized data lives. Look at the left-hand sidebar on your Apollo dashboard. Click on the Lists icon. This opens your list management dashboard where you can see all your existing company and people collections. Next, create a new people list. Now, we'll set up the container for your specific leads. Click the Create a List button, whether it's people or company list. For example, let's select Create a People List from the options. Enter a descriptive name. For 2026, it's best practice to include the date and the persona, such as March 2026 SaaS founders. Lastly, populating your list. Now that your folder is ready, you need to pull the right contacts into it. Click on the filter icon and select People. You can apply your filters like job title, industry, and verified email status. Check the boxes next to the prospects you want. Click the Add to List button in the top bar and select the specific people list you just created in Step 2. In 2026, you can also use the Import from CSV feature directly within the Lists menu. If you already have a list of LinkedIn URLs, you can upload them here, and Apollo will automatically find their verified emails and save them into your new people list. And that's pretty much it. To create a list on Apollo.io, navigate to Lists in the left sidebar, click Create a List, and select People List. This method keeps your workspace clean and ensures your outreach is always targeted. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.